Hello everybody. Well, the 2025 riding season is upon us, and that means we need to figure out what kind of videos we're going to be making here on the Riding on a Budget channel over the next year. To do this, I really need your help. What type of video would you like to see on the channel this year? Over the last year, we experimented with several different kinds of content. We produced videos on several motorcycle events, most notably the Dauphin Island Vintage Motorcycle Show, which was one of our most viewed videos. We also produced videos on motorcycle maintenance, vintage bikes, and budget motorcycle gear. Now, every category of content had videos with both large number of views and videos that had very few views. That's why it's so important to hone in on what people really want to watch. In the last few months, we began posting videos every week, and I want to continue doing that this coming year. So the challenge that I'm facing is what content can we produce every week that our channel viewers would actually enjoy watching? You know, that's at least 50 videos over the next 12 months. So this is why we need your help. I don't want to invest a bunch of time, money, and effort turning out 50 videos that no one wants to watch. You get 0 views. One of the issues I'm concerned about is sustaining content production over the long run. I've seen other creators of motorcycle content burn out because they just ran out of stuff to talk about. Yeah, I'd like to avoid that if I could. One idea that I've been considering is to purchase an older motorcycle and do a recommissioning or a restoration. Would anyone be interested in seeing something like that? If so, what motorcycle do you think would be the best for that project that people on the channel would like to watch? Another idea was to do an episode where you send in questions about how to save money on gear, motorcycle repairs, and upgrades, and I'd make a video answering those questions, a lot like Adam Savage does. Folks, I really want to thank you for being a part of the Riding on a Budget channel, and to let you know we really need your input if we're going to make it through this next year and turn out 50 videos. It's no secret that motorcycling has gotten a lot more expensive in the last few decades, and most riders are feeling the pinch. I know I am. The Riding on a Budget channel is dedicated to finding ways to keep motorcycling affordable. We focus on how to keep riding motorcycles on a limited budget by covering motorcycle events, rides, shops, and cool stuff that keeps costs down. We're trying to become one of the best YouTube channels, not the biggest. Our goal is to upload a new video once a week, maybe more if we can do it. And I hope you will subscribe and leave your comments in our comment section to help us get started for next year. And so until we see each other again, ride safe, and we'll see you down the road.